Okay, we're going to talk about evaluating expressions involving variables. Let's take a look at a few slides here. All right, so evaluating expressions involving variables. So an expression is a mathematical phrase that combines operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and/or division, numbers, and/or variables. A variable is a symbol used to represent a quantity that can change. It can be a letter or symbol. I typically choose like N or A, P, S. Evaluate means to find the value of an algebraic expression. Writing an expression. So an example would be Sam had some shoes and received 4 more. So you would choose a variable to use for the missing value. I would use N or S for that. Write the first operation. In this case, he has 4 more, so we're adding. And then we would write any other operations. So we say Sam has some shoes and he added 4 more. That becomes our new expression. Evaluating an expression. This is when you have an expression and then you have a variable that has an amount attached to it and you have to insert it into the problem. For our example, 4t plus 11 when t is equal to 4. So write the expression 4t plus 11, substitute the value for the variable. This example, t is equal to 4. So we have 4 times 4 plus 11, then find the value. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 11 is equal to 27. Always use your order of operations, your PEMDAS, if you're going to solve these expressions. Always use parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide left to right, then add and subtract left to right. Okay, some examples. If we have the problem 4h plus 3, and then we say h is equal to 11, what we do is then substitute our 11 in for the h. When we have a number and a letter up against each other, it means multiplication. So 4 times 11 plus 3. Using our orders of operation, we would do 4 times 11 is 44, plus 3 is equal to 47. 5p minus 20 when p is equal to 20. Again, if you have a number and a letter up against each other, that means multiplication. So we're saying 5 times 20, or minus 2. So 5 times 20 is 100. 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. And then finally, 9y, again, if you have a number and a letter up against each other, a number and a variable up against each other, it means multiplication. So we have 9 times 12. All right, so we solve that out. 12 times 9 is 108. Okay, your turn. I want you to pause the video and take a second on a whiteboard or a piece of paper and work out these 3 problems. And when you're ready, unpause the video and we will see if you have the same answers as I did. Okay, for the first one, 6x minus 12. Again, a number and a variable up against each other means multiplication. So 6 times 3, because x is equal to 3, minus 12, or 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. 5d plus 8. 5 times 5, because d is equal to 5, plus 9, 45, or excuse me, 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. And then finally, 7a minus 9, a is equal to 12. 7 times 12 minus 9, 84 minus 9 is equal to 75. Again, pause the video, work these out, and then we'll go over them. Okay, this first one looks a little bit different than what we've been doing. We've got b minus 5 plus 7 when b is equal to 20. So we have 20 minus 5 plus 7. Using the order of operations, 7 plus 5 is 12. So we have 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. If we have 8s minus 9, s is equal to 10. 8 times 10 minus 9, 80 minus 9 is equal to 71. And then our last one, we have 8y minus 15 when y is equal to 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 minus 15 is 49. Okay, I hope this helps in remembering how to evaluate expressions when there is a variable.